Kanina ko to guys nanonood guys, oh, parang gusto niyang hamunin yung laro ng sagot na kraw guys eh. Paramihan kayo guys kung sino na manalo guys. Oh? Hindi ko lang guys kung alam guys kung matalo ako or baka to guys, kunwari lang magaling pa to guys eh.
Ah, laban mo.
Oh, kasi na paramihan ng
Showdown.
Oh, paramihan ng touch. So, sige game guys. Paramihan to tayo guys ng kanto ng touch kung ilang touch. Yan guys oh, yung katunggali ko guys. Hindi ko alam guys. Kanina ko nanonood din guys. Sino yan guys eh. Wala to guys, kay pangit ng sapatos ko guys.
Ang live.
Sa akin guys, maganda guys oh, itim guys oh. Game guys, game. Go, tagawas bate. Control the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, 7 na guys! Patay guys. Dagdag guys. 7 lang. 7 guys.
Oh, ito, nahamon ko na siya.
Guys,
Ako na naman.
Kalaban. Nakakapalo to guys. Pagka dalawa lang to guys. Sigurado guys.
Control the ball. Talo guys. Talo guys.
Ano na guys?
Ay,
Oh,
pa yan,
ilan?
pa yan. Ano pa yan? Ryan pa yan.
Ilan?
Sata.
Oh, 6. So, panalo pa lang guys.
Ryan pa yan.
Oh.
Isa pa daw. Last one chance. Trial ba daw yun?
Dito guys. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
Ah, talo na ako, Pres.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50! Ha-ha!
Under na. Oo na, panalo na, panalo na.
Guys,
Panalo na.
kinaligan mo na guys. Game
Suko
to.
daw siya, suko, suko.
Panalo na.
Oh, game to guys, 50. 50 times.
Ayaw mo na lumaban?
Ayaw ko na.
Okay, guys, game to guys. Tingnan natin guys kung baka mamaya guys makapit ko lang
Gusto
siya.
pa rin niya akong subukan. Kaya, itatry pa rin natin.
Pag nakapitiwan siya guys, panalo siya. Ubang ito guys na ano, short mamaya pagka natalo. Naman ang short. Wow, pinalingan ko yan siya.
$20!
20 lang. Hindi, talo na ako, talo na. Talo na.
Oh.
Para may touch guys ngayon guys.